Good night, YouTube. So, back again after another day, and this is what my face looks like at the end of the day. I have on no makeup. Um, other than putting a little brow powder on, I don't have on any makeup. I used this oil balancing moisturizer, which is simple. This is the one that I was telling you about that kind of controls shine, because trust me, normally if I didn't have this on, like I could have fried chicken, egg, all kind of things in what come off of my face. It would be that oily, but I am happy to say I'm just glowing. That's shut up. So anywho, so I'm about to just get rid of all of this and go to bed. So you're welcome to get ready with me. Well, what's the opposite of getting ready? While you think about that, I'm going to wash with my refreshing facial wash from Simple, as usual, my Ride or Die, because it is that gentle. So, pardon me while I engage in my skincare activities. Okay. I notice I always rub my skin the same way, like I do this and upwards. I don't know, something that's I've always done. It's actually a very good practice to have. You don't want to be doing this and drying on the skin, although I don't really know anybody that does that. Most people just do this, which is not so cute. But here it allows you to get in between the little crevices, these places, and get stuff out. No, I'm not using my skin brush tonight because, as I said, I don't normally use the skin brush every single night, because if you're gonna be exfoliating so often, the skin is going to rebel. Not good. No bueno. All right, so this is the simple kind of skin. So that's the first step. We're gonna double cleanse tonight. All right, you get to do it with me. So that's step one, right? So I did say we were going to double cleanse. No, I have been doing this thing lately where I staying away from sugar. Well, not entirely, a little bit. I have been reducing my use of sugar in like my tea. I'm a big soda junkie. Everybody who knows me knows this. Like, they're like, stay away from the Pepsi. But I've been doing well so far. So I've been replacing my sodas with a big old bottle of water. And surprisingly, well, I guess not surprisingly, my skin has been reaping the results. However, I must confess, me and some Oreos got busy, and this is what happened. Me and the Oreos, they're my other weakness next to Pepsi. So what I'm using tonight, after I've cleansed with the gentle moisturizer from Simple, I'm going to be using the Clean and Clear blackhead eraser. Now this one, I'm going to be using it because it's oil free and it has a salicylic acid, which is very good for an acne treatment. So because I know and you know that I had a momentary lapse with the sugar, I am going to just do something to remedy that right now. So by morning, the pimples or pimplets will be a little bit flatter, because I've been zapping them with the salicylic acid, which is in a Clean and Clear cleanser. So I'm doing double duty, which is cleansing and medicating at the same time. Because remember, you want to keep your routine kind of simple and pared down, and target your skin for what it really needs, and not overloading it with a bunch of things that it doesn't really need at that moment just because you have them. And this is another affordable budget item, over-the-counter budget skincare product that you can pick up at any pharmacy, Fontana, Kincaid, Monarch, all of them. Yeah. right? So this works. I wouldn't use this every day though, just saying. It's a bit much. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna rinse. It's very tingly, feels good, and it has some fine beads. I don't know if you can see them. I guess not. Yeah, some little blue beads that are not very abrasive. And you hear my water running, NWC? I'll be back. I'm gonna rinse. Okay, so that's done. So that's it for the cleansing tonight. Since we're decompressing together, you know, we're buddies. All right, homeboys. Yeah. Anywho, since we're friends, how was your day? You know, was it stressful? Was it long? Well, this is one of the things you can do for yourself tonight to prepare for a nicer day tomorrow or a less challenging day. Yeah, wash off the stress off of your face. Wash off the people that off of your face who are stress you out tonight. And also, while you're washing, don't forget to tone, because that's what we're going to do right now. So, guys, you already know the drill. We're going to get a cotton ball with the simple, the one that I use is a simple kind of skin soothing facial toner. And we're going to use that.